upload your critical files to the cloud so they're always there when you need them. Welcome back to the PDFelement YouTube channel. I'm Chris, and today I want to share an amazing pro tip with you. A smart solution for backing up your most important documents to the cloud, so they're easy to access anytime on any device, wherever you are. Let's be honest, we've all used workarounds like emailing ourselves or storing documents on a USB drive to keep backups, but how many times have those solutions failed us? From losing a USB to searching endlessly through an inbox, these methods aren't as foolproof as we'd like. In today's digital world, backing up your documents isn't just about creating copies of your documents, it's about making sure they're accessible anytime, anywhere. The solution? A cloud service tailored for documents. Fortunately for us PDFelement users, the solution is already built in. PDFelement's workspace includes the PDFelement Cloud feature, a cloud storage service tied to your Wondershare account, where you can upload your files. As long as you're signed in on any device through the PDFelement app with your Wondershare account, your documents will always be there waiting for you, anytime, anywhere. So where exactly is the cloud and how do you save your documents to it? Well, the process is pretty much the same on all devices. But to keep things organized, let's take a look at it step by step, starting with the desktop versions, Mac OS and Windows. It all starts with logging in. Once you're signed into your Wondershare account, you'll have full access to your personal cloud storage. Once you're logged in, head over to the PDFelement Cloud tab on the Start page. This is your cloud storage hub, where you can view and manage all your saved documents. Now take a look at this button right here. This is the Upload tool. Clicking it will open the File Explorer so you can easily navigate through your documents and select the one you want to upload to the cloud. Once you've selected your document, the PDFelement Upload File window will appear. Here you can choose where to save it within your document cloud and give it a name. A simple but handy way to keep everything organised. After naming the file, just click Upload and wait a few seconds for the process to complete. And there you have it. Your document is now safely uploaded and ready to access from any of your devices. Uploading your file to the cloud from a desktop is that simple, but what about mobile devices? For many of us, our phones are the ultimate tool for staying connected and productive on the go. They let us read, edit, and scan documents, making them such versatile devices for accessing our files. Especially from a cloud that allows us to access them anytime, anywhere, right? So why don't we take a look at how the upload process works on these devices? The first step is to log in with your Wondershare account. Next, we need to import our PDF into the PDFelement workspace. To do this, just tap the plus button right here. A small menu will come up where you can choose the location of the PDF you want to import. In this case, I'll select Files. This will open the file navigation interface, making it easy to search for your document on your device. Once you've found it, just tap Open and complete the import. Next, head back to the Start page. Here you'll see your document listed among your recently opened files. Now look at this little button right here. This button is our Documents context menu, and as you can see among its options, we'll find the Upload tool. On iOS, when you tap on this button, you'll see this menu. Since Apple syncs files across devices with iCloud, you'll be asked whether you want to upload to the iCloud or the PDFelement cloud. However, for most cases, the more convenient option is the PDFelement cloud, as it allows you to access your documents even from non-Apple devices. Once you've made your choice and begun the upload process, all that's left is to wait for it to finish. And when it's done, you can go to your PDFelement cloud folder to open it, anytime and anywhere you want. Uploading your files to the cloud is the ultimate solution for backing up and carrying your documents wherever you go. But what if you have multiple files to upload? While this process works well for a single document, repeating it for each file could quickly become tedious, don't you think? So why not upload them all at once? Fortunately, this process actually isn't that different. For the desktop versions, the first step is to go to PDFelement Cloud tab and click on the Upload button. Then use the File Explorer to navigate to the folder where the documents you want to upload are stored. Select all of them and confirm the selection. Now on the PDFelement upload window that appears, confirm the process. Your files will automatically begin to be uploaded. The time it takes to finish depends on how many files you've selected, but don't worry, the process is actually pretty fast. Once the documents are fully uploaded, you'll see them listed among the files in your PDFelement Cloud Hub. So there you have it, now all of your documents are ready to go. Now let me show you the process for the mobile versions. For this task on iOS, we'll need to import our documents into the PDFelement workspace first. To do so, tap the blue plus button and select the Files option. This will open the File Explorer, where you can search for and open each document you want to upload to the cloud. In my case, I've created a folder to move all my documents into it. It makes things much easier. Once done, we're ready to move on. First, we need to navigate to the place where we stored the documents we want to upload. For iOS, I'll navigate to the folder I've just created, while in Android I'll use the blue plus button to search them in my device. Now we need to select all our documents. On iOS, tap the ellipsis menu in the top right corner to turn on the selection mode, while on Android, simply press and hold any document to enable multiple selection mode. Once all the documents are selected, tap More in the bottom menu to expand it, and then select the Upload tool. Remember that for iOS, when we upload files, we'll always be asked to decide between the PDFelement cloud and the iCloud, so make sure to select the PDFelement cloud so you can access these documents even from non-Apple devices. Now all that's left to do is wait until our documents are successfully uploaded to the cloud. Once the upload is done, return to the PDFelement cloud folder, and your documents will be right there waiting for you. It's pretty cool, right? But the thing is, as you keep adding more documents, you'll probably start feeling like your cloud folder's getting a little bit messy. So setting up some folders would definitely make navigation easier and help you stay organized for future uploads. To get started, head to your PDFelement Cloud Hub. In the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see this button. It's the Folder Creation tool. Click it and a small window will pop up asking you to name your new folder. Once you've entered a name and clicked Create, your empty folder will appear. From here, just select the documents you want to move and use the panel right here to click Move. This will open a window where you can navigate through your PDFelement Cloud folders and specify exactly where you'd like your files to go. Once you've set the path, click Move. And that's it, your files will be neatly organized in the location you've selected. Keeping your PDFelement Cloud well organized makes navigation a breeze, but there's a couple of tricks you should know to make the whole document management process even smoother. When you're in the PDFelement Cloud, you'll notice these two buttons right here. They let you switch between List View and Grid View. List View is great when you want to see everything laid out in a particular order. You can sort your documents in ascending or descending order by name, modification date, or size, which is super handy if you're looking for something specific. Grid View, on the other hand, gives you visual thumbnails of your documents, which makes it perfect when you just want to spot the right document at a glance without even reading the names. While pairing the right view mode with a well-organized folder structure simplifies everything, there are times when a different approach is more efficient. Take recently opened files for example. It's so handy when all you have to do is open PDFelement and click on the most recently opened file to pick right up where you left off, isn't it? Well, that's where the new document tabs come in. These are designed to filter your files based on specific criteria, making it easier to quickly find exactly what you need. The first tab, Cloud Files, is the default view you'll see when you open your document cloud. This one stands out because it's the only tab that lets you navigate through the folders you've created, showing both files and folders. It's perfect for making the most of your file organization. Now, if collaboration is your focus, you'll want to switch over to the Shared tab. Here you'll find all the documents you've shared with others or received access to, and it's also the place to check the status of signing requests or track shared projects. Everything collaboration related in one spot. And finally, there's the AI Generated tab. This one lists any files created or enhanced with AI tools, like translation, grammar check, or document summarization. It's a great way to keep all your AI-powered work organized and accessible when you need it. The powerful combination of view modes along with the Documents tab unlocks a whole new way to navigate and manage documents, but there's still one more feature that ties it all together, the new Document Sidebar. Every time you select a document while using the list view, this sidebar pops up. This bar is designed to adapt to the tab you have active, giving you either quick actions or detailed insights based on what you're working with. For example, when you're in the Cloud Files tab, the sidebar focuses on actions, making it easy to do things like move, open, share, delete, or even mark a document as a favourite, all with just one click. Now, if you switch to the Shared tab, the sidebar shifts its focus to collaboration details. When you select a document, you'll see information like who you've shared it with, when, and if there's any pending sign requests. And finally, when the AI Generated tab is active, the sidebar shows the document's AI knowledge card. Here you'll get a quick summary of the content, a list of keywords, and links to the related files used in the AI tasks like translation or summarization. From now on, backing up your documents will be a whole new experience, with the reliability of cloud storage and convenience of accessing your files on any device, all within a workspace packed with tools to read, comment, and edit. You'll revolutionize the way you work. So why not give it a try? In the description of this video, I've included a link to the official PDFelement website where you can download and try it for yourself. Thanks for staying with me until the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. I'll keep bringing you more tips and tricks videos to make your work easier. In the meantime, feel free to check out the other videos here on the channel where you'll find plenty of tips and tricks to help you manage and edit your PDFs like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.